Understanding, fill someone in, an easy guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, fill someone in. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help you in both personal and professional settings. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. Fill someone in is an idiomatic expression. To fill someone in means to inform someone or update them about something they don't know, especially details that have been missed or are new. It's often used when you need to catch someone up on recent events or changes. For example, if you missed a meeting, a colleague might fill you in on what was discussed. Let's look at some examples to see how fill someone in is used in sentences. 1. After returning from her vacation, Jane asked her coworker to fill her in on what she had missed. 2. I'll fill you in on the details later. Right now, we need to hurry. 3. Can you fill me in on the new policy changes? These examples show how the phrase is used to convey the act of informing someone about something they are not aware of. It's important to avoid common mistakes when using fill someone in. Remember, this phrase is about providing information, not about completing a task. For example, don't say, "Can you fill me in this form?" Instead, use, "Can you help me fill out this form?" I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of fill someone in. It's a handy phrase to know in English and can be very useful in keeping conversations flowing smoothly. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills with us.